my channel, we are going to learn how to style a white tee 6 different ways, maybe 7. I'm not sure how many it could be because there are so many ways to style a white tee with things that you just already have in your closet. I am wearing my box cut tee from EVERLANE because it's my favorite. If you missed my white tee roundup where I share my 3 top favorite white tees, then you can check it out. I will link it up above, right up here, and I will also add it down below in the descriptions. If you just click that little show more button, it will open up a whole new world of links that you can find this video in. Now I'm gonna move between outfits really fast because I have a lot of them to share. I will start really dressy and then don't worry, I will cash it down real fast. All right, let's kick this off a little dressy, a little work outfit here. Now I have my white t-shirt tucked into some trousers. They're just a J. Crew linen trouser and they are very stretchy. Yep. I like these puppies. So I put on this cute tweed jacket that is under $100. Once again, choose something from your wardrobe that would fit with your style and your needs. Maybe it's a navy blazer or a neutral blazer or a really rad bomber jacket, whatever it is. I like this one because it helps to elevate the outfit and take it from that dressy casual to a more dressy work appropriate outfit. Okay, I've also added this cardigan, just another layer. I love layers. So this is just another fun way to add some visual appeal to a white shirt and trousers. So easy. If you know anything about me, it is that I am a sucker for monochromatic looks. It is just the easiest way to jazz up an outfit and make it look way more expensive than it may have been. So that is what I've done with this little ditty. I have my white t-shirt, some wide leg trousers, and my white blazer. And right away, it just looks so put together and elevates the look. I've also done neutral shoes. Feel free to do whatever shoes you want. You could even add a pop of color in your shoes and bring some interest in that way. But yes, guys, this is so easy and a very cool way to use your white t-shirt. Now let's say that you want to cash down this monochromatic look. I have just put on a light casual sweater that matches and some white kicks. You cannot go wrong with white sneakers. These are some of my favorite. Okay, I'm feeling good about these outfits. Let's cash it down a little bit. The next outfit is easy and fun, and to be honest, it's inspired by my grandpa's Dickie jumpsuits that he wore every single day, and it's just a fun way to reinvent the jumpsuit. Do something different and new than just buttoning it up all the way like we always do. I don't think that anyone can argue with me when I say that this next look is my favorite. It is just what I want to live in and day out. It looks romantic and easy, but very put together. I mean, gosh, it is a white t-shirt, a cute floral skirt, and white kicks. It doesn't get easier than that. I have rolled my shirt here just to give it a little something something. You could also put on a necklace or fun earrings, but the key to this look is to keep it simple. And for the 16th look, I mean, I don't know, what number are we on here? It's blue jeans and a white t-shirt. Oh, like, this is why blue jeans were invented. This, it's like peanut butter and jelly, Oreos and milk, children and napping. I mean, they just go so well together. Once again though, make it your own. Add whatever accessories you want, any fun jackets, dress it up with heels, keep it casual with kicks. It's a blank palette that we're working with here, folks, so make it your own. All right, for this last look, I feel like I need a Coke or something. Oh! I just broke my nail. Oh, there we go. Whew. Okay, yeah. All right, I needed a Coke for this one just because this one is so chill. It's so relaxed. I told you we were cashing this down, and all we need are athleisure pants or sweats. I mean, we're keeping it really, really simple here. Feel free to add a bomber jacket or a leather jacket or something in case you want to fool people that you aren't wearing pajamas. But you guys, it's simple, super relaxed. We're wearing sweats in our white tee and it looks good. The broken nail, not so hot. This, yep, this looks good. Well, there you have it, guys. A lot of ways to wear a white t-shirt. from dressy to casual, I mean practically pajamas. It's so easy, so versatile, and all you need is a white tee and your wardrobe. That's all you need. I will link everything down below in that cute little description box that we talked about earlier. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, share with your friends, spread the word, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.